Good evening, folks. Hayes here, and I'm going to be bringing you a special tutorial tonight. I'm going to be starting my unit on basic logic gates, and I'm hoping that I can show you guys how to build each and every one of them and hopefully come up with some good applications for them. So we're going to start out with the most basic, and that's the AND gate. Well, I suppose the most basic would be the OR gate, but let's not nitpick. So this is an AND gate, and an AND gate is a mechanism that is characterized by the fact that it has two inputs, and one output, and there is only an output signal when there are input signals to both inputs. So, as you can see at this moment, there's power in input 1, there's power in input 2, and because of the fact that these are redstone torches, and redstone torches turn off when they're powered, when you have power to both of them, they're both off. Thusly, there's no power in this general line here that they share, and because there's none here, then this redstone torch goes on. This actually is consistent of 3 NOT gates, and the NOT gate is right here. It's actually just a fancy way of saying a redstone inverter, because redstone torches, the way they work is that when they have a signal going in, they output no power themselves. But when you take the power away, then they do start outputting it by themselves. So they're just basic NOT gates in and of themselves, and that's why in Minecraft really everything is built as a result of piling up NOT gates on top of each other. So let me demonstrate to you. It's on right now, but let me demonstrate to you what happens when I turn this off. Alright, so because that's off, then this redstone torch goes on, and this common line that they share right here goes on, and because there's any current in there, this turns off, no output. So that's the basic of an AND gate. And you might be asking, what could you use this for? And honestly, I generally use it for control mechanisms. A lot of the times I try and set up things that are automatic. They usually run on some sort of timer or some sort of clock. And I have the lever and an AND gate there kind of as almost like a final checkpoint to make sure that it's actually supposed to be doing that, just so I can kind of easily cut the power manually if I need to, if something goes wrong with the circuit. But it also has other uses. Right here, actually, it's part of a circuit that controls this door, and there's a lever on the other side, and the door needs to have both levers be open for the door to unseal. So it's useful for places where you need to be able to lock the door quickly. So now we see if I take the power away from this one, it shuts off again behind us. So easy, resealable. If you want to go and try and hide these levers somewhere, you can make some sort of secret entrance with this. Really that was just the basic application of the AND gate, and I'm sure that you guys can come up with some much more interesting uses for it on your own. And frankly, I look forward to seeing them. Alright, he's out.